Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode problem. Let's see the today's problem, and the problem is minimum moves to equal array elements seconds. So this question is fall into the category of medium and it's a highly like. So it's a must do question. So let's deep dive into the question. What actually question asks. So you have a given an integer array nums of size n, and what's your duty? You have to return the minimum number of moves required to mix all array elements equals. So you have, what's your duty? You have to just uh, try to make all the elements equal to any element and takes minimum number of moves. So in one move you can increment or decrement an element of the array by one. Okay, so the tests are designed so that all the answer will be fit into 32-bit integer. Okay, it's for our convenience. Let's little bit understand more this question with using the examples. So take the first example, and you have given the array 1 to 3, and you have to take minimum number of steps and try to uh, equal, make equal all the elements. So this one and 3 2 all are different. So what's my duty? I have to just make sure every element are equal. So what can I do? This element actually smallest, so I can increase or decrement. If I decrement, it will make my answer in large because I have to reduce every element to this 0, and if I increase this element by 1, it equal to this 2. So it's kind of easy. And if you notice, we have to decrement this 3. So I have decreased this 3 by -1, so it takes one step, and for increment this it takes one step. So my answer will be 2 to 2. That's my uh, resultant array, and my answer will be 2 in this case because I need only two steps, two moves to increase, to get this array equals element in which every element are equals. So take another example to understand a little bit more. So here is the nums array 1 10 2 9, and we want to uh, just make sure every element are equal. In this case I have to just convert into it. So how can I convert into it? So uh, it's kind of frustrated fuzzy type. uh, this one can be increase or decrement, I don't know about that. But if I sort this array, let me just sort this array, then you notice one thing. If I sort this array, what I get 1 2 and 9 and 10. Okay, so I have to just, I know somewhere I have to increase this value and I have to decrease this value to the some point of value by which every element are equal. So if you notice one thing, in the leftmost side I have to always increasing, I have to increment or not increment, and on the right hand side I have to decrement or not decrement. Two cases are there, but in the middle of the element I didn't need to make increment or decrement this type. So in this case it's a pretty much straightforward. I i just find out the median or a middle element in the sorted array and try to uh, just make every element to the median. So in that case the median will be 2, not a median in the middle element, it's a kind middle element. So I try to make every element to this equal to this 2. So it need one step, so I'll just add the step 2. So for making this one equal to this 2, I need only one step plus, for making this 2 equal to 2, I need 0 step, so I did 0. For this 9 and make this 2, I need 7 steps, so I did 7. For making this 10, to this two, I need 8 step. So totally need 8 step. If I count everything, it's equal to 16, and this is my answer. So it's pretty much straightforward question. So let's implement this question. So first and foremost, what I have to make, uh, I have to sort this element, sort this array. So nums dot begin and nums dot end. Here I am sort this array. After the sorting array, I have to find the middle element. So I made it mid e, and mid e is equal to what? Nums of num dot size divided by 2. It give me a what? Middle element. And after the getting the middle elements, what's my duty? I make a moves variable. Initially it's equal to 0. I assume it I needed 0 step to make it. And after that, what I have to do, I'll just take uh, I'll take every element's value and compare it with what? Compare it with my middle element. So and add it into my moves. So I take the absolute value because I need only absolutes. How much different both middle element or any element which I traverse right now. So the minus what? My middle element. So mid e, and that's it. Just I have to reverse return these moves, and that's the code simply, guys. So let's run this code, and it's accepted. Let's submit this code and give me AC. So if you have any doubt in this question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys.